What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in the Chevrolet Volt Smart Key Remote Fob. This Chevy Volt key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this button here on the side of the fob that my thumb's on, and then the emergency key will pull out like that. Now if we hold our key fob with the buttons facing down and we take a look at the bottom of it, I'm going to use this emergency key to pry off this back cover. How I'm going to do that is I'm going to take my emergency key and I'm going to stick it in the slot that the key originally slid out of, but I'm just going to put the end of the key in there. I'm only going to be using about that much, what's on the other side of my fingers. So put the very end of the key in there, and then I'm going to pry up like this. End of the key in there, and then pry up. And as I do that, you can see it splits the case apart. Go ahead and pull the case apart, and then in the back half we see our battery right here. And I'm going to use my key to carefully get under the edge of the battery and pop it out of that holder. Now I'll grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side down. Plus side down, positive side down. Snap the battery into place, and then we can put the two halves back together. And if your circuit board's moved around at all, make sure it's sitting down in that rubber piece like it needs to be. Then we can snap the two halves back together, slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.